The Bentley Azure is a luxurious convertible grand tourer produced by Bentley Motors between 2006 and 2009. It represents the pinnacle of Bentley's craftsmanship and design, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and exclusivity. Key specifications: engine and performance. Engine, 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. Power, approximately 450 horsepower at 4,100 revolutions per minute. Torque, 645 pounds-ft at 1,800 revolutions per minute. Transmission, 6-speed. Automatic gearbox with semi-automatic. And sports functions. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5.9 seconds. Top speed, around 171 miles per hour. Dimensions: length, 212.6 inches 5,410 millimeters. Width, 83.66 inches 2,125 millimeters. Height, 58.74 inches 1,492 millimeters. Wheelbase, 122.68 inches 3,115 millimeters. Curb weight, approximately 5,941 pounds, 2,697 kilograms. Seating capacity, 2 passengers. Fuel economy, city, approximately 11.7 mpg. Highway, around 20.3 mpg. Fuel tank capacity, 25.3 gallons. Features and amenities: handcrafted interior with luxurious materials. Advanced climate control system with air quality filters. State-of-the-art infotainment system with navigation and connectivity options. Soft close doors and a power-operated convertible roof. The Azure's design is characterized by its elegant lines, prominent front grille, and a luxurious interior that reflects Bentley's commitment to craftsmanship. Each vehicle was highly customizable, allowing owners to select from a wide range of colors, materials, and finish to suit their personal preferences. Production of the Bentley Azure was limited, with only 93 units sold in 2009, making it a rare and sought-after model among automotive enthusiasts and collectors. The Azure remains a testament to Bentley's dedication to luxury and performance, embodying the brand's legacy in the grand touring segment.